a seat belt on it?
No,
No, sir. Stop
No
eating
seat
that
belt.
stuff. No. Stop that.
you're floating anyways. You have a life
How do
vest.
you use this one?
Like, grab it like this. Yeah. And then, yep. You gotta make sure you're more center though on this. There you go.
Just don't
Use
eat that
your arm,
stuff.
don't use the weight, use your
No.
arm.
Okay. We'll see.
No, don't try it.
It's easy like watching and
Yeah.
see which one we're not
Yeah.
doing right or wrong.
Okay, ready?
Should it be facing like this or like this?
Either way.
Turn.
Okay, guys, have fun. Ladies, have fun. Woohoo!
Okay, take a picture.
Taking a video. Woohoo! Oh, you are coordinated. Nice.
Just do the same, like right and left. We did like count of two.
Sasha.
Of two?
Sasha, there. Hey, Sasha, come. What, you don't eat that? You don't eat poop? Really?
You bring roast beef with us, dear?
It's the beep lab.
Huh?
It's on the back. Nice one. Coordinated.
He must have a pretty powerful arm. He seems to be the one doing the steering. What are you doing? In trouble?
Mine, not yours.
Is it what, peanut butter or whatever it is? Oh, what is it you have?
Hamburger?
Oh, no wonder. You really want that one, look.